Guys, share ko lang, natapos na nating termination dito sa ating panel board, then sa may double throw. Bali, may main tayong 100 ampere. Yung size niya, match size ng service entrance wire niya guys is 30 mm. Then also sa kanyang branches, dalawang lighting 3.5 mm, then regular CO, dalawang home run 3.5 mm din guys. Then meron tayong refrigerator, water heater na dalawa, isang 1 horsepower, then gas range, also laundry area. Tapos isang SPO, 4 na ECU. Meron tayong guys 5.5 mm minimum, then 3.5 yung lighting nating dalawang home run, then regular CO guys 3.5 mm dalawa. Tapos the rest guys is 5.5 na yung kanilang wires. Also yung kanyang ground earthing guys is color green. Meron tayong bus bar dyan. Yung brand ng wire niya guys, lahat nitong ginawa nating electrical work sa bahay ni Sir is Phelps Dodge brand yung wire na ginamit natin. Then also dito sa kanyang generator connection guys.